Have you ever heard of Nikola Tesla? Of course you have. He was a brilliant inventor and engineer who is responsible for many of the technological advancements we enjoy today. But what many people don't know is that he had a simple sleep technique that he used to get ideas that could change the world. In this video, we're going to break down how to use Nikola Tesla's little-known sleep techniques so that you can get anything that you want. So, what was Tesla's sleep technique? It starts with big idea number one: to imagine that your brain is like an antenna receiving cosmic energy. Tesla actually said, "My brain is only a receiver in the universe. There is a core from which we obtain knowledge." Now, this might sound a bit strange, but there's some science behind it. We know that the brain is a complex organ that uses electrical impulses to send signals throughout the body. In fact, the brain is one of the most energy-hungry organs in the body, consuming up to 20% of the body's energy. So, it's not too much of a stretch to think that the brain is capable of picking up on energy from the universe around us. Bob Proctor, self-help author and lecturer, used to say that the brain is nothing more than an electronic switching station that is harnessing invisible energy. Another way to think about this is like your brain being a supercomputer. Computers are really just electronic switching stations that project light photons, and they run off of electrical wiring and software, just like your brain runs off wiring called neural networks that shoot electrical impulses. The question is, how do you get your computer to perform the way that you want it to? In today's world, that often means hooking it up to Wi-Fi, connecting to an invisible field of information that basically allows you to have the entire world right at your fingertips. That's exactly what this Nikola Tesla technique is all about. You need to think of your brain as a receiver and transmitter of this invisible energy. When Tesla was in his late 80s and giving his big award speech in New York, he spoke candidly to the audience and said, "I have to tell you how I got ideas to do what I've done. Every evening before bed, I would put a notepad on the little table next to my bed with a pen or pencil. And every morning when I wake up, there's a written invention on the pad. Somebody comes into my room at night and writes down an invention, and the next morning I get up and it's all written out for me. So I just go to my laboratory and follow the instructions, and I invented radio or alternating current, or made this invention or that invention. It all starts with sleep." This leads us into big idea number two: to set your intentions before sleep so you can access the super consciousness that Tesla would utilize every night. For the last 3 years, I've done this in a very simple way. I imagine my brain is an antenna, and I'm tuning it to a specific frequency so I can allow new bandwidth of information to come in. Or you can imagine it like a computer, and you're tapping into a cosmic Wi-Fi network that connects you to the universe. Before going to bed, I set my intention by thinking about what I want to accomplish or achieve. I focus on this intention and repeat it to myself several times until it becomes my dominant thought. Then, I imagine my brain as a receiver that is tuned into the frequency of the universe, and I visualize the information I want coming in. Now, this may seem like a simple visualization exercise, but what you're doing is accessing your subconscious mind, which is the most powerful part of your mind. Your subconscious mind works 24/7, and it controls all of your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. When you set your intention before sleep, you're essentially giving a command to your subconscious mind to work on it while you sleep. Your subconscious mind then communicates with the universe to bring you what you desire. Tesla understood this concept, and that's why he was able to come up with some of the most groundbreaking ideas of his time. He was able to tap into the superconsciousness, which is the collective consciousness of the universe that holds all information and knowledge. This is why he would wake up in the morning with new ideas and inventions already written down for him. So how can you start using Tesla's sleep technique to get anything you want? Here are some steps to follow. Step 1. Set your intention. Before going to bed, Think about what you want to achieve or accomplish. It can be anything from finding a solution to a problem, getting an idea for a project, or simply improving your life in some way. Setting your intention is a crucial step in utilizing Tesla's sleep technique effectively. By focusing your thoughts on what you want to achieve or accomplish, you create a clear path for your brain to follow. It's like programming your brain with a specific task to work on while you sleep. Your intention could be anything that you want to manifest in your life. For example, if you're an entrepreneur, you might want to come up with a new business idea. Or if you're a student, you might want to find a solution to a difficult problem you've been struggling with. You could also set an intention to improve a certain aspect of your life, such as your relationships, health, or finances. It's important to be specific when setting your intention. Rather than just saying, "I want to come up with a good idea," try to be more precise. For instance, you could say, "I want to come up with a new product that will help people save time in their daily lives." By being specific, you give your brain a clear task to focus on, which increases the likelihood of achieving your desired outcome. Writing down your intention can also be helpful. When you write something down, you create a physical manifestation of your thoughts. It helps to solidify your intention and sends a signal to your brain that you're serious about this. You could use a journal or a piece of paper to write down your intention before going to bed. Once you've set your intention, it's time to move to the next step. Step 2. Visualize. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires and achieve your goals. It is a technique that involves creating mental images of the things you want to achieve or experience. And when it comes to using Nikola Tesla's sleep technique, visualization plays a crucial role. The first step in this process is to imagine your brain as a receiver that is tuned into the frequency of the universe. This means that you need to see yourself as capable of receiving information and insights from the world around you. By visualizing your brain as a receiver, you are opening yourself up to the idea that there is a vast network of knowledge and wisdom available to you at all times. Next, you need to visualize the information you want coming in. This means that you need to focus your thoughts on the things you want to achieve or experience. For example, if you want to come up with a new invention, you might visualize yourself receiving a breakthrough idea in your sleep. Or, if you want to improve your relationships, you might visualize yourself having positive interactions with the people in your life. The key to effective visualization is to focus on your desired outcome until it becomes your dominant thought. This means that you need to immerse yourself in the mental image you have created and feel as if you have already achieved your goal. The more you focus on your desired outcome, the more real it will become in your mind. Step 3. Sleep. Sleep is an essential aspect of our daily lives, and it plays a crucial role in helping us maintain optimal health and well-being. While most people consider sleep as a time for the body to rest and recharge, there is more to it than meets the eye. Our subconscious mind is highly active during sleep, and it is during this time that our brain processes and consolidates information. The subconscious mind is responsible for managing our thoughts, feelings, and actions, and it works tirelessly to help us achieve our goals. When we go to sleep with a specific intention in mind, we activate the subconscious mind and allow it to work on our behalf. This is where Nikola Tesla's sleep technique comes into play. Tesla believed that the universe was full of energy and that our brains were like antennas that could receive this energy. He would set his intentions before sleep, trusting that his subconscious mind would work on his goals while he slept. Tesla claimed that he would wake up with a written invention on the notepad beside his bed every morning, as if someone had come into his room and written it down for him during the night. This may seem like a far-fetched idea, but there is some scientific basis to it. Research has shown that the subconscious mind is highly active during sleep, and it is during this time that our brains process and consolidate information. By setting our intentions before sleep, we can tap into the power of our subconscious mind and allow it to work on our behalf. To put this into practice, start by setting a specific intention before going to bed. This could be anything from solving a problem at work to finding a solution to a personal issue. Write down your intention on a piece of paper or in a journal and keep it beside your bed. As you drift off to sleep, visualize yourself achieving your goal and trust that the universe will bring you what you desire. Step 4. Act on your ideas. One of the key aspects of Nikola Tesla's sleep technique is that it requires action. While setting intentions and visualizing your brain as a receiver of cosmic energy can help you tap into your subconscious mind, it's the follow-through that really makes a difference. When you wake up in the morning, take a few moments to review your notepad or journal. See if any ideas or solutions came to you during the night. It's possible that you might not remember your dreams or that nothing new came to you, and that's okay. But if you do find something that resonates with you, don't just let it sit on the page. Acting on your ideas is essential for making them a reality. Even if it's just taking a small step towards your goal, like doing some research or making a phone call, it's important to take action as soon as possible. This helps to build momentum and keeps you motivated. For example, let's say that you're an entrepreneur who wants to start a new business. You've been struggling to come up with a unique idea that will set you apart from the competition. Using Tesla's sleep technique, you set your intention to come up with a new business idea that will disrupt the industry. The next morning, you wake up and find that you've written down an idea for a subscription service that delivers organic produce directly to consumers' homes. You're excited about the idea and think it has potential, but you're not sure where to start. Instead of letting the idea fade away, you decide to take action. You start researching the organic produce market and the logistics of delivering fresh produce. You reach out to potential suppliers and start putting together a business plan. Before you know it, you've taken your idea from a scribble on a notepad to a fully formed business concept. By acting on your ideas, you're able to turn your dreams into reality. While it may take time and effort, the rewards of pursuing your goals and bringing your ideas to life are immeasurable. So the next time you wake up with a brilliant idea, don't let it go to waste. Take action and make it happen. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.